Did you know that certain foods, like beets and artichokes, can actually help your liver detoxify? They're packed with antioxidants that support your body's natural cleansing processes. Our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins from the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. Detoxification is a natural process that helps remove these toxins, and it's essential for maintaining overall health. So, what does detoxification really mean? It's the process by which our bodies eliminate or neutralize toxins. Our liver, kidneys, and lymphatic system all play a role in this process. But did you know that certain foods can actually help support this process? Leafy greens like kale and spinach are packed with antioxidants and fiber, making them a great addition to a detox diet. They help support liver function and promote the elimination of toxins. Citrus fruits like lemons and oranges are also great for detoxifying, as they're high in vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system. Herbs like turmeric and ginger have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and promote detoxification. And let's not forget about cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, which contain compounds that support liver health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can have some amazing benefits. For one, they can help improve digestion and reduce bloating. They can also help boost your immune system, which can help fight off illnesses. And many people report having more energy when they eat a diet rich in detoxifying foods. The antioxidants and fiber in these foods can also help reduce inflammation and promote the elimination of toxins. This can lead to a range of benefits, from improved skin health to a stronger immune system. According to nutritionists, a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods can help support the body's natural detoxification processes. Eating a balanced diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help support liver function and promote overall health, says one expert. To wrap things up, incorporating detoxifying foods into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health. From leafy greens to citrus fruits, there are many delicious and nutritious foods that can help support your body's natural cleansing processes. So, what are some of your favorite detox foods? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about healthy eating habits, be sure to check out my next video on the topic. Thanks for watching.